Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll take our 11th chapter mensuration. Mensuration का आपको previously भी concept होगा पहले से ही. So starting with 11.1, coming to the question number 1. A square and a rectangular field with the measurements as given in the figures. So square shaped field दिया हुआ है अभी. With the square shaped field 60 meters given to us, and here it is a rectangular shaped field given, so this is 80 meters. With the measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter, which field has the larger area? So to find out the area, first of all we require to find out the width. इस पहले रेक्टेंगल की क्या हमें width पता होनी चाहिए, बट दोनों का perimeter सेम है. It is given that you can find that perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of square. It is given that both have the same perimeter, so perimeter of rectangle is given as 2 times L plus B, whereas the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So this is now 2 times length is already given 80 plus width, this is equals to now 4 into side of the square is given 60, so put 60. Now this is 80 plus B, this is equals to now 4 into 60 divided by 2. ये 2 से भी इधर डिवीजन हो जाएगा. So this is now 30. So we got 120. So therefore 80 plus B, this is equals to 120. So we got B equals to 120 minus 80. So width is now 40 meter. So we got width of rectangle. So width of rectangle is 40 meters. Now we can find out the area. So area of square, this is equals to now side square. So side is already given 60, make 60 square, so this will be now 60 into 60, so this is 3600 meter square. Similarly, we will find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, this is given by length into width. So length is 80 and width we have already calculated 40. So this is 80 into 40, 3200 meter square. So now area of the square is more and the area of the rectangle is less. So we can write area of square is more than the area of rectangle. So now coming with the question number 2. It is given that Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing the garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. So this is the figure given to us. Here it is house, and this is given as 15 meters from here to here. This is now 15 meters given to us, and this is 20 meter, and around this is a square plot. So these dimensions they are given as this is 25 meters and again this is 25 meter. So this is a square plot. So the dimensions are given to us. Now we need to find out the area of the garden. So this is garden given to us. So we need to find out area of this complete garden. So this is the garden given to us. So we need to find out area of this garden. So area of garden will be now area of this square plot minus area of this house. So that will give you the area of this garden. So first of all we will find out the area. So area of garden. So area of garden is equals to area of square minus area of square plot. So this is now square shaped plot minus area of the house. Now see that we can find out this area. So area of garden, area of the square we know, this is the side square minus area of the house. So area of the house is in the form of the rectangle. So this is now length into width. So we can calculate side area of the square. This is side is already given. So this is 25 whole square minus length into width. This is already given to us. This is 20 and 15. So 20 into 15. So this is now 625. 25 into 25, 625 minus 20 into this 15. So this is 300. So if we subtract, this will be now 325 meter square. So this is now area of the garden. So we got area of garden. This is equal to 325 meter square. Now cost of developing garden. Cost of developing garden. So this will be area into the rate. So area we already got 325 into rate of developing the garden is rupees 55. So after multiplication of this will be now 17,875 rupees. So this is the cost of developing a garden. So now coming to the question number 3. The shape of the garden is the rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. So we need to find out the area and perimeter both. So this garden is having semicircular ends and this is the rectangular part of this. Now the dimensions are already given. This is 20 meters. This complete side from here to here, this is now 20 meters given to us. And this is 7 meters. 7 meter is this. We can say 7 meter is the width of this rectangle. So we need to find out the area and the perimeter both. So area of garden will be now area of rectangle plus area of this rectangle. So area of this total garden will be area of this rectangle plus area of these two semicircles. So अगर हम ये रेक्टेंगल के एरिया को निकाल के इन दोनों सेमी सर्कल्स के एरिया में प्लस कर देंगे, सारे गार्डन की एरिया आ जाएगी. दिस विल बी नाउ 2 इंटू एरिया ऑफ वन सेमी सर्किल. So this is now area of the garden is area of rectangle plus 2 into area of one semicircle. So this will be equals to now area of rectangle will be length into width plus 2 into area of the semicircle is area of the circle is pi r square. So semi circle it will be half. सेमी सर्किल मतलब क्या था, आधा. ये एक सर्किल है, इसकी एरिया क्या होती है, पाई आर स्क्वायर. इसको अगर मैंने ऐसे सेमी सर्किल बना दिया तो इस सेमी सर्किल की एरिया क्या हो जाएगी, हाफ ऑफ दिस. सो यही लिखा हुआ सेमी सर्किल की एरिया क्या हो गया, पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 2. सो नाउ 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. लेंथ एंड विड्थ. सो नाउ लेंथ of this, now we need to calculate the length of rectangle. Now see that length of rectangle will be, length of rectangle, so this will be now 20 minus this side is, this is now 7, so this will be 3.5. so same this will also be 3.5. so 3.5 इधर से और 3.5 इधर से. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, 3.5 मीटर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 3.5 प्लस 3.5. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 20 माइनस 7. सो दिस इज नाउ 13 मीटर्स. सो वी गॉट द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल एज 13 मीटर्स. सो दिस इज नाउ 13, लेंथ इज 13 इंटू विड्थ रिमेनिंग द सेम 7 प्लस this will be now pi is 22 by 7 into r square. Radius of this semicircle is 3.5 into 3.5. so this will be now 91 plus 7 1 ja 7 0.5 times. so this will be now 11 into 3.5. so on calculation this will be equals to now 129.5 meter square. So this is the area. Similarly, we will find the perimeter of this garden. Now see the perimeter of the garden. Perimeter means only the length of the boundaries. So length of the boundary will be, if I travel from this place, so this will be this point, this complete. So this is one of the length of this rectangle. so we'll put this as L plus, so again this side, so this side will be now the semi perimeter. this length will be the semi perimeter up to this place. so this we will write 2 pi r, this is the perimeter. so semi perimeter will be half of this plus again this length, this is the length of this rectangle. so again this length will be equals to the L plus this semi perimeter. so we'll come to the original point. so this is the complete boundary of this. so this will be now semi perimeter. so 2 pi r by 2. now we can simplify it. so this is 2 1 2 cancelled, this 2 cancelled. so length is 13 plus this is 22 by 7 into 3.5 plus length is 13 plus 22 by 7 into 3.5. now we can simplify it. so this is 0.5 times and this is 0.5 times. so this will be now 26 plus 11 plus 11. so this is now 48 meters. so 48 meter is the perimeter of this rectangle. so now coming to the question number 4. a flooring tile has the shape of the parallelogram with the base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. so this tile is in this shape. so this is now height of this tile is already given to us. so this height is 10 centimeter and this base is given as 24 centimeter. so how many tiles are required to cover a floor of area this? so area of floor is already given. so this is 1080 meter square. so area of floor, this can be 1080 into 100 centimeter square, because we know 1 meter square is equals to 100 into 100 centimeter square. So now the area of one tile. So area of one tile means the area of the parallelogram itself. So area of the parallelogram is base into height. So this will be equals to now 24 into 10. So this is 240 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. बिकॉज दोनों की यूनिट सेम होनी चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने अभी इसको मीटर स्क्वायर में जो दिया था इसको भी क्या सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में किया हुआ है. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स विल बी इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. So this will be equals to now 1080 into 100 divided by 240. So now we can simplify it. So this is 12 2 90, then this is 45. So we got this is 45,000 tiles. So we got the number of tiles 45,000. So now coming to the question number 5th. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of the different shape is scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, the circumference of the circle can be obtained by using this expression, where r is the radius of the circle. So first case, we'll take up now A. So in case of A, this is the figure given to us, and this is given as 2.8 centimeter, this complete length. So now if she starts from this end, this way, and this complete will be the length. So length covered. So length covered here, it will be now 2.8 plus this circumference. 2.8 मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगी, फिर इस बाउंड्री को कवर करके यहाँ तक आएगी. सो ये लेंथ तो 2.8 दिया हुआ है, प्लस ये क्या दिया हुआ है सेमी पेरीमीटर. सो इट विल बी नाउ 2 पाई आर बाई 2. सो दिस इज नाउ 2.8 प्लस 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ 22 बाई 7 इंटू आर. आर विल बी हाफ ऑफ दिस. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 1.4. Now we can calculate. This is 1, 0.2. So this is now 2.8 plus 4.4. So this total will be now, this will be 7.2 centimeters. So in A case it will cover this much distance. Now coming to the B part. So this distance is now given 1.5 centimeters, this much, and this complete is given to us. This is now 2.8. So 2.8 centimeters. Now if the ant starts from this place, so it will be now this section, then plus this length, then this length, then complete this curve. So the length covered will be, and here again the radius r will be now 2.8 by 2. So this will be now 1.4 centimeters. So length covered will be now this length 1.5 plus this boundary, this is 2.8 plus this side 1.5 plus this semi perimeter. So this will be now pi r. This will be pi r only, because 2 pi r by 2. So this will be pi r. Now we can find it out. So this will be now 3 plus 2.8 plus 22 by 7 into 1.4. So this is 1, this is now 0.2 times. So on solving this, we get this is 10.2 centimeters. So now coming to the C part of this, the shape is like this. So this is now 2 centimeters. This distance is 2 centimeter given to us, and this diameter given as 2.8 centimeter. So we can find out the radius. Radius will be d by 2. So 2.8 by 2. So this will be now 1.4 centimeter. So here length covered will be equals to now this length. So this is 2 plus this length 2 plus this semi perimeter. So this will be pi r. So this will be 4 plus 22 by 7 into r. R is 1.4. So this will be now 4 plus this is 1 0.2. So this is 4 plus 4.4. So this will be equals to now 8.4 centimeters. So where it is maximum? So maximum is in this case this is 10.2. So it has 2 covered. So we can write maximum distance covered. Maximum distance covered is in option B. So in option B maximum distance is covered. So with this we have finished our exercise 11.1. Thank you. Okay students, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे से सॉल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.